Tip from a licensed therapist. If you are an adult child of emotionally immature parent and you are not sure what to do about the holidays or the gatherings, and you are getting text messages or calls, kind of like demanding a response to what you're going to do, here's something that I want you to remember. Sometimes just the act of receiving a text from an abusive parent can get your nervous system going, right? It can activate your stress response. Even if you don't know what the message says, just seeing that message come through can start to get your heart going like this, because you're just really anticipating there being something in there that's going to be upsetting or lead to a conflict. But something to remember is that nothing is ever so urgent that you have to abandon your boundaries to drop everything to respond to, especially if it's about holiday plans. You can take a minute to think about what you want to do. You don't have to respond right in that moment. You can take time to be thoughtful, to take deep breaths, to regulate, to think about your pros and cons. Do I want to go? If you do, how am I going to treat this as an interaction that has outcomes versus this is a relationship event? Because those two things are different. But nothing is so urgent that you have to drop everything to respond to. You can take a minute to take some deep breaths and regulate and process and think about what is it that you want to do. Figure out what your boundaries are and respond when you're ready to.